If you're looking to optimize your Amazon listings and boost your sales, using JungleScout's data is one of the best ways to get ahead of the competition. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use JungleScout's tools to optimize your listings and make them more attractive to potential customers. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for a better way to use it, this video will give you the essentials you need. JungleScout gives you access to powerful data, and using that data to refine your listings can make all the difference. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the product database. This tool is perfect for finding profitable product niches with a high potential for success on Amazon. You can filter products by category, estimated sales, price range, and even competition level. Once you find the products that stand out, you'll have a much clearer idea of where to direct your listing optimization efforts. Next, you'll want to use the Keyword Scout tool to get an in-depth look at what keywords are driving traffic to similar products. Keyword research is crucial for Amazon listings, and JungleScout helps you target the best performing keywords with just a few clicks. By entering a product or niche into Keyword Scout, you can discover long-tail keywords and high-volume search terms that will give you an edge in Amazon search rankings. Don't just stop at one or two keywords. Make sure to diversify your keyword strategy with a combination of short-tail and long-tail keywords to reach a broader audience. Once you've got your keywords, it's time to optimize your product listing. Start with your product title, which should include the primary keyword at the beginning. The title is the most important part of your listing because it's what gets indexed by Amazon's algorithm. A good product title should be clear, concise, and include relevant details such as brand name, product type, size, and key features, along with your top keywords. Next, let's talk about your product description and bullet points. These sections give you a chance to sell your product and provide more information to potential buyers. Use the secondary keywords from your research to enhance the text and make it even more compelling. Focus on the benefits of your product, not just the features. Shoppers want to know how the product will solve their problem or improve their lives. Clear, benefit-driven content helps convert visitors into buyers. JungleScout's data also helps you track your competitors. With the product tracker, you can monitor how other sellers are performing, which is invaluable for adjusting your own strategies. This tool provides insights into what's working for your competitors and helps you identify gaps in your listings that you can exploit. It's not just about tracking competitors, though. You'll also want to keep an eye on your own performance using the Sales Analytics tool. This will show you how your listings are doing over time and whether your optimizations are making an impact. You can analyze your sales data, adjust your strategies, and make smarter decisions about pricing, advertising, and inventory management. Lastly, JungleScout offers a suite of tools to help with Amazon ads. Using their ad manager, you can fine-tune your PPC campaigns and make sure your products are getting the visibility they need. Their system gives you detailed insights into which keywords are driving the most sales, so you can allocate your ad spend more efficiently. Before we wrap up, if you're wondering how to get started with JungleScout, I have some great news for you. You can try the software completely free through the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses that will help you hit the ground running. This extended free trial will give you full access to the tools and features I've just covered, and you'll be able to dive deep into optimizing your Amazon listings right away. In summary, JungleScout's data is incredibly powerful when it comes to Amazon listing optimization. From finding profitable products, to conducting keyword research, to analyzing competitors, this tool helps you make data-driven decisions that will boost your sales and grow your business. Don't forget to check out the free trial link below and start optimizing your listings today.